Today we're doing a little bit of a variation on the pattern we did for the Star Wars kitchen. This one is a bit of an Orinoco Granite meets Lemurian Blue, and it's joined together by this beautiful vein in the middle that's full of whites, blacks, and blues. As well as we will show us putting a bit of this crackle pattern on top that will look really good and make sure to make that vein really pop. That's all coming up, so keep watching. I pre-painted my board in Broadway, and here I am pouring out the epoxy which I mixed with black and silver glitter onto it. I'll use the trowel to mix further and spread it out evenly. I'm chopping out the epoxy to remove any trowel lines that may be left behind and brushing the sides evenly with epoxy. Next, torch out any bubbles left by the previous effects to give yourself an unblemished surface to work with. Spray 91% isopropyl alcohol mixed with pewter metallic additive on one side of the board. I mixed up bright silver metallic additive with epoxy and dipped my brush full of it, and chopped it into the other half of my pattern. Make sure to leave a gap in the middle for your vein. Turning the metallic additive in certain ways leaves different effects. For this one I got a popsicle stick and did a back and forth paddling motions in small lines throughout the whole of the metallic half. I sprayed a little black spray paint on part of it and then fractured it with more isopropyl pewter. Moving on to the vein, I started with a base of white spray paint, then dragged a popsicle stick through it. I dragged a line of white base tint mixed with epoxy and a line of black spray paint on top of that. Then I grabbed the heat gun and blasted it out. This is where it really starts coming together. I dragged a single line of cobalt blue spray paint through the middle and dragged a bit more white spray paint on top of that and to the side, and dragged black spray paint again. Get the heat gun and blow out the vein again. For the final touch, I used black granite spray. This pattern is beautiful, with a lot of complex blacks that subtly show up against each other and piece together well with the whites, and that little bit of sparkle from the glitter shows up well with it too. If you liked that video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to share with all of your friends this great epoxy pattern, comment below on what you thought of the video, and subscribe to see more epoxy videos on how to do various fun projects, patterns, and arts and crafts. And from all of us here at Stonethetic, built by you, built for less, built to last, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching!